Hey guys, welcome to my first video. My name is Miles McPherson and I'm 19 and I just wanted to show you guys this investment portfolio and I want to upload it right now so we can go through 2025 together. Probably going to be posting daily 2025, so that's something to look forward to. Just updating you along the way on this investment portfolio, and I actually started in about, I started in the beginning of 2024 actually. And then I lost some money, got into options, not a good idea. But then I started buying shares, and eventually now I'm up $2,000 as of right now. So that's good, 15% last year. But I just want to show you guys the portfolio a little bit and what I'm buying and what I like a lot. So I have Amazon. We'll take a look at this. Amazon's actually my top holding. I have about $3,000 in there. I'm up 20% on it this year. That's really good. 20% of my portfolio as well. And yeah, I think this company has a lot of room to grow, definitely. It's one that I want to hold for a really long time. The PE ratio is very high, but they're a company with insane growth rates, and they've proved that they can perform year in and year out. And I have a lot of faith in this company. And just to look at a few more, Nvidia, everyone has a little bit of Nvidia. I mean, I don't believe in them as much, honestly, but they're still a good company, at least for right now. I just want to have some exposure to the AI that they're providing to the market. Google is one that I'm looking to add to my position a little bit more. Have a decent return so far on that. I mean, everything's up in the market right now, but they're a company that has a surprisingly low P. They also do pay a little bit of a dividend, but I got them at a good time. I like what they're doing with their investments as well, with the Waymo and all that stuff. I think Google's a good one. Also, Fubo, that's a little bit of a lottery play. Just have $100 in there. Cheesecake Factory is one that I want to add to. I'll let you guys know if I buy more of that. But I'm up 25% on that right now. And yeah, this is a really good one. I have a lot of faith in this. I have an 18p ratio, and their market cap's comparably low to some of the bigger restaurant um, companies, like as you can see on here, like McDonald's, Uber, Starbucks. And I think that, I mean, if Chipotle plays their cards right with all the companies they have in the mix, you could definitely get close to a Texas Roadhouse, 5x their market cap, Wingstop, something like that. They have a lot of new companies. You guys should check that out. I definitely suggest Cheesecake Factory is a great company. PayPal, I won't go too in depth on that. I'm up a lot on that. Bought a little bit. SoFi is one I'm very into. Up a lot right now. I mean, it's been on a tear. It's up 58% in the past year. And yeah, I mean, I got in at a good time, but I really do believe in this company in the future. Their P is insane, but to say the least. But they deserve it. I mean, the way that they're growing with their free cash flow and everything, it's definitely a really good company, and I like what they're doing in the fintech space. Next is Palantir. Bought a little bit of Palantir. Should have bought more. Kicking myself, but up a lot on that. Probably going to get out of this position soon. I don't see a lot more upside in Palantir. Celsius is kind of a play that I'm just holding a little bit, not much at all. O is a stock I've bought a lot of recently. I've been trying to get more of that. They pay out a very healthy dividend yield of 5.9%. And with rates dropping in the coming years, and with O's been pretty beaten down actually, down 6% in the past year. They were up for a little bit, and I was having fear. I was having FOMO when they were up that much, but dropped a lot. Got in. I'm happy. I want to keep adding to this position. It's definitely a good one to have forever, I think. And then another one I have is Nike. I think Nike. I've put a lot of money in Nike. They're down a lot right now. I see good things coming. Bill Ackman holds them. Shopify. This is a good one. Got into this at a great time. Of 80%. They're a really big company, but I mean they have the chance to be, you know, up there with Amazon and all of them. But yeah, they've been on a tear this year, especially past 3 months, 30%. Wow. Then I have Honest Company. I only have like $100, $200 in there, not crazy. This is my main ETF holding. This is the second largest holding in my portfolio after Amazon. But this is one that, I mean, it's basically a tech ETF. It's mostly technology. It's 50%. So I definitely do want to diversify a little bit more. I'm probably going to be getting rid of this and putting some into Amazon in different sectors, but they've averaged actually. This is a really interesting ETF since its conception. They've averaged 16% return. I don't know if that's good timing or the ETF is amazing. I don't know, but I'm in on it. I also have Estee Lauder. This is kind of a value play. They pay a good dividend. Makeup company. I have Elf. Elf is also a makeup company. I bought that at a pretty good time, actually. We can see up 15% on that. Yeah, this is a company that's been beaten down. They dropped a lot. They're down. They dropped 50% at one point here. Can't find it on here, but I mean they were at $200. They dropped all the way down to 100. Was there 103? So, because their growth rates are expected to slow down, but I mean, I still see them doing good. Their earnings per share are gonna increase from last quarter. I don't know. Their guidance is lower, but I think they're gonna surprise analysts. Then coming up to the last few stocks, AMD is one that I've been buying heavily recently. AMD got about $1,000 in there. I'm down 5% right now, but I mean, this stock is just getting beaten to the ground. I mean, down 4% in the past week, 15% in the past month, 26%. And I mean, if you look at the past year, it's down 17%, while the S&P is up, what, 20? I mean, not a good place to put your money, but I think at this price, it's hard to not buy AMD. I'm looking to buy a lot more of that as well. And the last stock I have is CSL. I just want a little bit of exposure on this stock. I'm definitely keep building on my position, but they're a very healthy company with a little dividend, and they have very healthy cash flows. They look good. They're in a good position definitely for what the market and the economy is doing right now. So I'm very. They're also being down actually. They're down 17% in the past 3 months. Up year to date, but they took a little drop recently. Last time they did that. I can't predict the future, but so yeah, that's my portfolio, and yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated throughout this investing journey. Bad day today, but we've had a good past 3 months definitely. That's beautiful. But yeah, I also do have a little bit of crypto, but it's like $10. But yeah, that's for the most part that's the whole portfolio, and thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to come with me on this journey and enjoy the content. Thank you. Peace out.